Welcome back, YouTube! It's your boy Villain X, back with another video. So look guys, I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. You guys are showing me endless support, endless love, telling me I'm inspirational, y'all love my videos. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, guys. You guys do not understand. I've been wanting to do YouTube for a very long time, and it's been situations where I couldn't get the camera this is procrastination, and you guys show me that you guys are loving the content, y'all loving what I'm pushing out, and it means so much to me from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate it. With that being said, I want to do a giveaway. I want to do either a PS5, maybe Chrome Hearts, Jordans, something, and I want it to be like between 5 to 10 winners, because I've done giveaways and little contests and stuff like that, and there would be like one person win and you'd be like, bro, I'm not gonna win out of a million fucking people. So I want to do a contest like that. So drop some things that you guys would like for me to put into the contest, like PS5, Xbox One, Jordans, Chrome Hearts, because I know there's people out here that's not fortunate enough to be able to purchase items or purchase electronics and stuff like that. And all the love and support you guys are giving me in this really fast pace, I want to give back. So just let me know in the comments what some good ideas for like that could work. And don't get me wrong, I'm not Kai, so don't say I want a car, I want a house, I want $1 million. No. So like I said, I'm gonna do a giveaway contest, like between 5 to 10 winners. I'm gonna come up with the details and stuff, and I'll post it in another video. I may post it on Instagram. So like I said, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram too, and I'm gonna come up with a good contest. So like I said, 5 to 10 winners could win. I feel like that's a good number. That's a lot of people. And one person or 1, 2, 3 people, that's not gonna do it. That's not gonna make it. I wouldn't want to. I feel like I'm robbing you guys, because like you guys are showing me endless support, endless love. So I feel like I have to like go ahead and just give back, because without you guys, there's no me. So with that being said, that's that. Number 2. So for 2025, I have a lot of content ideas that I have in mind. For one, I want to stream. I'm a dog in college football and Madden. I put belt their ass. So all y'all boys who think y'all good at college or Madden, man, drop y'all gamer tags too, because I put belt their ass. We could play for money. We could play for respect, reputation, whatever y'all want, because I put belt their ass. I play with Georgia Bulldogs and the Ravens. You already know how Lamar go. You already know how Derrick Henry go. You put them in the eye and you let them stride. So that's that. I want to stream. I want to. Oh, this is another project that I have that I've came up with, is Cars and Friends, or Cars and Talk, where I meet people and they show me their car, and they're gonna give you an interview. They're gonna tell you what they do for a living, and they're gonna tell you what they love about their car. Because I don't want it to be just my car on this channel. Like, no, I want you to be able to see different cars and different people, how do people afford their dream cars or the cars that they have right now and stuff like that. So that will be on the channel. 2025 is coming very soon. I've been reaching out to people and I've been putting things together for you guys. So just stay patient and sub up. Another thing that I wanted to just touch up on real fast is, it's December 31st, guys. This is probably going to be the last video of the year. So let's talk New Year's resolution. My New Year's resolution will be, oh yeah, this too. Always write down, and when you write down your goals and your stuff that you want to achieve, it's like the power of the tongue and the power of the mind is a dangerous thing. Like, it works, bro. I promise you. God's gonna bless you, especially when you a good person and you write down and you, what's it called, your goals. Like, I have my goals and stuff in my notes. I have everything in my notes. See, I wrote my stuff down. And I'll read to you guys real quick. I want to win Breakout Streamer Award. I want to gain 100K subs on YouTube. I want to lose weight. And I want a wide body lamb truck. So, with that being said, I got to put the work in. You can't just say, oh, hey, I want this stuff. You got to put the work in, and then God's going to bless you. Like, that's how the universe works. You can't just, of course, you're going to have ups and downs in the road. But as long as you're dedicated and you're focused, and you're passionate about what you want to do, it's gonna work. So just stay focused, guys. Whatever you're doing, if it's your new job or you want a promotion, you want a raise, you want to quit your job and pursue your passion, do it. God's gonna have your back 1,000%. I am living proof. Like, I promise you. I've been an underdog. I've been hated on. I've been everything you could think of. Just stay focused and stay on your path, and your passion and your dreams will come true. I promise you. That's word from me. So, just stay focused. But guys, let me know your New Year's resolutions in the comments. Like, I reply back to almost every comment, damn near 99%. I'm gonna comment back. And you may never know. I may have ways to help you out. And I may have connections, or I may be able to open a door for you. So just leave a comment in the comment section, and we can talk about your New Year's resolution, and I may be able to help you. So yeah, guys, like 2025 is gonna be the year. I'm gaining. I am going to work my ass off for. I want to get Breakout Streamer of the Year. I want Rookie of the Year, and I'm going to be giving you nothing but great content, great laughs. Great everything. Like, I'm putting my passion into this, and you guys are gonna see in the videos, and y'all gonna feel me. Y'all gonna feel me. Like, y'all gonna really understand that I'm for one, I'm one for the community. I'm one with the guys, girls, everything. I'm trying to show you guys that I'm here to stay, and we're villains worldwide. We're villains incorporated. Like I said, you're a villain in everyone's story. Not everyone's gonna like you. Not everyone's gonna be in favor of you. And you just gotta prove people wrong, because when you prove people wrong, there's nothing they can say. It's like a oh, I didn't think he could do it. You did it. You did it. So you can look at yourself in the mirror and say, damn, I did that shit. So like I said, guys, 2025 is the year. All of us were putting belt to ass. We're putting belt to ass, y'all. Every last person. Look, you right there, sitting right there on the couch. Or sitting in the car, sitting in the bed. We putting about the ass. For sure. But that's it. I just want to give y'all that for my quick little intro, because I want to let you guys know that. And I'm about to go shoot some more footage for y'all. So catch y'all later. I want to show y'all how the car look and the stars look during the daytime. But we about to, it's traffic, and we about to cut up in traffic too. I'm about to do a POV cutting up in traffic. So this is how look, the sunroof's open. That's how the stars look during the daytime. It still give that P look. Y'all already seen the car, so I ain't gonna keep showing the car, but y'all see how the sunroof told you. The sunroof's still fully working, and the stars on there. But I'm about to cut up in traffic, y'all. I'm about to mount up, and we gonna do it in Sport Plus. Hopefully I don't get pulled over. Let's do it. Plus go crazy, y'all. It's New Year's Day, y'all, so I ain't trying to get a ticket. I'm trying to be a little cautious. I had y'all like that. I was a little bit more cautious too. Like I said, bro, I am not trying to get a ticket. Like, I plan on doing a race mode, the race track mode at like 3 o'clock in the morning, where I could really just go fucking crazy, show y'all like a top speed or something. But that's gonna come in another video. I gotta run in the store real fast and pick something up. So like I said, guys, we doing a giveaway on the channel. Probably next month. I'll do this as soon as possible. But you guys gotta let me know the type of items or type of stuff that you guys will want. Make sure you drop it in the comments. Like I said, PS5, Chrome Heart, Jordans, you name it. Drop it in the comment section. Also, I want to know you guys like dream cars, because I told you this is my dream car, and I got it and I manifested it. And I had an S63 before this, and I manifested that also. And now I want a wide body Lamb truck. So guys, drop your dream cars in the comment section, so I can tell you if it's ass or not. Because if it's ass, I'm gonna tell y'all. If I don't really like it, or if I think it's something better than that, I'll suggest it to you. So like I said, guys, look, guys, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Villain X